Hi guys! Today we're back with another MunchPak review, well, unboxing video. If you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know that I absolutely love MunchPak. Snacks from around the world delivered to your door. They give a lot of variety and they also give a little bit of information on where the item's from, which I love too. Anyways, let's jump in and have a look what we got in this box. Alright, first item, Delicitos, delicious pizza snack, crunchy bites with a seasonal pizza crust flavour from Brazil. Who doesn't love the pizza crust? It's the best bit if you ask me. The bag's nice and full too. Okay, next item. Cadena Texas fries, tomato flavour. Rolled crackers into the shape of French fries with the tomato flavour, and they're from Taiwan. They feel really light, but they look delicious. Alright, next item. Eti Pop Cake with lemon. It's a delicious cake with lemon sauce filling and lemon frosting, and it's from Turkey. Oh my god. That looks amazing. I love lemon. A cake with frosting and filling. Can't go wrong there. Next up we have Festy Vanilla Cookies. A crunchy vanilla cookies with a vanilla cream filling. So they might be similar to Oreos. Vanilla cream sandwich. Feels like there's maybe 4 cookies in there. Next we have the Nestle Princessa Salty Caramel Wafer Bar. Chocolate coated wafer bar paired with salted caramel, and it's from Poland. We have a lot of Nestle stuff here in Australia, but I've never seen this one. I'm not a massive fan of salted caramel. I always feel like it has too much salt, but hopefully this will be an exception and will be delicious. Next we have a bag of Milkita chocolate shake candy. It's a chewy chocolate candy with a creamy milkshake taste, and it's from Indonesia. As you can see through the window, there's lots of different ones and they're all individually wrapped. It also says up the top that it's a good source of calcium. Oh, heaps of stuff to go. Loving this. Anyway, next up we have Yuki and Love Whole Grains Energy Bar Cheese Flavour. A crispy wheat cookie bar flavoured with cheese, and it's from Taiwan. I have no idea what this is going to look like. If you go and check our written review, we'll have pictures of everything out of the box so you can see what it is. Oh, here's one that we have here in Australia. Nestle Smarties. Chocolate dots covered with a candy shell. This is apparently from Germany, but we definitely have Smarties here. So I think everyone will know what a Smartie is. Next up, Multi-Bon Hazelnut Bar. Slim and crunchy wafer bar filled with hazelnut cream, and it's from Mexico. Oh, sounds like Nutella to me. Obviously not Nutella brand, but I reckon it will taste like it. Cannot wait to dig into that one. Okay, third last item. Jinbis Asparagus Mini Biscuits. A crunchy biscuit with sesame seeds from Japan. Okay, it seems like it's just shaped like an asparagus, not flavoured like one, and it's flavoured with black sesame seeds. Feels very light. I think they're really crispy. Second last item. Chorus Honey and Fruits Chewing Candy. Honey infused orange, lemon and apple fruit chews. On the front of the bag they kind of look like Mentos that we get here. They're from Japan. Honey and fruit, interesting. And the last item, I've always seemed to get one in each box, is a tea. I don't really drink tea, and I think it's a bit different than everything else in the box, so I'm not a massive fan of it, but this one is the Teak Ann Magic Apple Tea, a fruit tea with a sweet and crisp apple flavour from Austria. I've never heard of apple tea before, so it could be interesting. I will try it out, but No guarantees, I'm not a big tea drinker. Anyway guys, that's the MunchPak box for this month. We love reviewing these, so please hop on over to the website and purchase yourself a MunchPak. They're pretty cheap for what you get, and you get a lot of amazing things to try. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Bye.